start trying to, sorry, Dexter's in my way. Start trying to, did he really just flip the camera?
Come on. You can do it, Massey. Come on. Oh, maybe not.
Lily won't go.
Come on, Abby. Come on. Come on.
Won't that bad kitty let you come down the stairs? Well, come here. Hey! Hey!
For a while, and then we ended up all of us going out to eat.
Come on, let's go. Come on, girl.
The kitty is just like, wait, what are you doing? Pouncing.
You're okay. Come on. She'll let you go by. Come here. What's the matter? Come on. Come.
Yay, come through!
Come. Come on, Zach.
Get him, Lily, get him! Get him!
Are you mean? You are? You're mean? Manny.
Hey! Get off! Get off! Get off!
Bring it to me.
Buddy, do you like your new collar? Oh no, his mouth is stuck on it. That's probably dangerous. Mowgli.
No, 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 no.
Ow! Chiquita! Let me touch you, Chiquita!
You gonna hit the camera? Hey, cut that out.
loves his rides. Okay, now pull it. Oh, I love it. Tito's first sled ride.
Ready?
Stop.
My cat is absolutely nuts. Get out of here! Can you feel the bird?
Get it, Allie. Get it. The curling champion.
Make sure she's not using claws.
I know. I don't think she is.
Fucking nuts.
Good boy! Yay!
How many nice beds are all in here?
He has no idea she's fed.
Are you not smart, kitty?
Drop it. Drop it. You get cat bit. You like that?
Oh my god. I told you not to use the razor. What have you done? What have you done?
Yo, this is the greatest thing ever. Stop, stop, stop. This is now we have a way to get Tank to exercise.
I know. Uh-oh. Somebody's in